We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand and line of skincare products, including cleansers, bar soap, cream, lotion, and moisturizers. How do you go about pronouncing it? Many argue and say it as Cetaphil, but the brand itself says that it is to be said as Cetaphil or Cetaphil, Cetaphil or Cetaphil. Did you get it? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Cetaphil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more brand names, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.